Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open and use the RedNote in computer. Just follow me to do it. On your computer, open a browser and open this link. Make sure to write correctly, and also you'll get this link in this video description below, and then you will directly jump into official RedNote website. So here, if you're first time, you have to sign in here. Let's see how to sign in. And one more thing, you can select here your language Chinese, or if you want to translate to English, just select here English. Now we have to scan this QR code from our mobile RedNote app to sign in. All you have to need on your mobile, go ahead and open the RedNote application, and now here tap on me at the bottom right and tap on this scan QR code icon. And now all you have to need from your mobile device, scan this QR code just like so. And here tap on, check this option and just tap on login. And here we can see it's time to verify. So just verify here, just like so. Once you're successfully verified, you will be successfully logged into your RedNote account. Now you can go ahead and use the RedNote from your computer just like so. Thanks for watching.